Today we're going to do a really fast express repair on this cargo box. Normally we do our repairs on the inside of the cargo box for aesthetic views, but as you can see this box has lost its laminate on the top. That's why the bottom half looks a little different from the top. So we're just going to do the repair right on the top. It's going to make it very quick. We don't have to deal with flipping the lid over or anything of that nature. What I'm doing here is just showing you that how I'm going to join it on the interior with duct tape. I'm just going to push down with tape on one side and then pull the two joints together. Our brick and mortar shop is in Denver, Colorado under the name of Open Road Outfitter, but our subsidiary business of MammothMend deals with all the repairs. We've been doing repairs in Denver since 2014. And during this time we've been fine-tuning our repair techniques and also upgrading our UV inhibitors and elastomers. Here I'm just pulling it together so that we don't have any of the solvent cement oozing through, or we just want it all bound together so it's just the way it came out. So for this repair we're going to use the small repair kit, which is an 8-ounce solvent cement, 12-inch by 12-inch fiberglass mat, and 2 pairs of protective gloves. Now if you went to the large kit, it would just double the solvent cement and the amount of fiberglass. Here, as you can see, this is a 12-inch by 12-inch. What I'm doing is cutting them in, since it's 12 inches long, and we're cutting it in 3 sections, those are 4 inches wide. If you need to extend it, what you can also do is cut it in 4 strips that are 3 inches wide if you need more length of fabric. Here I'm just sizing up one side. Over time, what I've learned is you don't want to get too long of a strip. You want something that's manageable, because once you start putting it down, it's hard to move it around. It's much easier to use smaller strips and overlap them at least an inch over each end. You can butt end them over, but it's very difficult if you start getting like a foot long or try to use the whole sheet at one time, like a 12-inch by 12-inch. It makes it extremely difficult. Here I'm just leaving down the solvent cement to the size of the mat that I cut, just doing one side at a time. So like I said, I'm going to have it overlapping, so I'm going just a little bit longer than the center of the box. Placing it down and then using 2 paddles to spread it out, pulling it from the center out so that I can get the fiberglass to go to the shape of the cargo box. And now I'm just applying the solvent cement. These repairs are super simple, but just make sure that you do wear your protective gear, which is respirator, eye protection, and your protective gloves that come in the kit. Now if you need any of the items such as a respirator or anything else, definitely check out our website. We've got all the items there. Also, if you're doing any other kind of repairs that you need rivets, rivet guns, parts for your cargo boxes, replacement hinges, we have all that stuff, and each day we're adding more and more. So here you can see I'm just doing the other side using the paddles that have the radius on it rather than the 90-degree corners which catch. Just taking it and starting at one side and working my way down and using the paddle to push it into the creases. And you don't need to worry about any frays on the fiberglass. If it sticks out too far, you just curl it in, because this cargo box or the fiberglass gets its strength from the fiberglass going in multiple directions. If it just all went in one direction, it wouldn't be very strong. So using this matte fabric that we do use, it's extremely strong. When we're done with this repair, it's going to be stronger than the rest of the cargo box, because the rest of the cargo box is just plastic. Now when we add the fiberglass, it improves the strength dramatically. Now here we are 24 hours later. I'm just taking a razor knife and shaving off any high points, any fabric that may be Once the fabric and the solvent cement mix together, any of the hairs that stick up from the fiberglass can get rather sharp and stick up and poke. So we just want a nice smooth finish is what we're looking for. So what I do with the dauber is just when I dip it in, I run a quick stroke down the middle, and then I kind of spread it out from there as far as that goes. But we don't want any dripping or anything of that nature. We just want enough just to coat it. Now, the first time you do it, you're going to see the fabric, and that's what we want. I'd much rather have it be where you put just enough on and you can see the fabric. We're not looking for the final results the first time we do it. What we want to do is do it once, let it cure for 24 hours, shave it down, and then put another coat on. And that completes the repair. We know that not all repairs are the same, so if you have any questions or comments, just let us know in the comment section below. And also check out our other videos that might have a repair similar to what you need. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.